Okay, we've been failing at our calendar. We haven't done any of the days, so today we're gonna do some of them. Day 1. Okay, I will. Ooh, we got a piece of aged cheddar. All right, we have aged cheddar, so let's look at day 2. Where is 2? Yes, I'm holding cheese on my lap. Don't you? Let's see, day 2. Oh, there it is. This is... Oh, that opens number 7. Why? This is red something Gouda. Red pesto Gouda. Did I rip out number 7? No, that was number 2. He just opened 7. We won't look at them. And then let's see, day 3. This is our breakfast. Our breakfast cheese selection. Day 3. Hey, stay down. I don't want to know what cheeses are in there. All right, we've got red Leicester, right? Is that how you say that, wife? Red Leicester? She doesn't know. All right, we're gonna eat these cheeses. How adorable and cute. Coming in with the wet hair vibes per usual, but I do have most of my face on, so I thought I would bring you along for an eyeshadow adventure. So I put this lip on, which is looking pretty nice. It's the MAC Whirl Pencil with the Tarte Maracuja Lippy. What are these called? Juicy Lip. I love these. I have 2. This is in Orchid. Those are like so nice. Hydrating, soft, pretty color. Okay. So I've been thinking about my declutter for the year, right? Like, cause we got too many eyeshadows. Right now, I'm just gonna pull out my small shadow bin that's in my drawer. Yeah. Because I'm not ready to look at the larger palettes yet. So let's do a little dig through that. Choose an eyeshadow for today. I think that's all of them. There's a couple other little ones, but those are not up for grabs. Okay, let's start with this because I bought this the most recently and I saw these in the store and I just thought it was kind of a cool concept to find in the drugstore. It was the Maybelline Shadow Blocks. And what they are is like 3 shadows in one. Like, you know, like a stack. And I was like, cool, the drugstore's doing that. They're like $11. It's trash garbage. And I'm like really sad about it and not ready to throw it out yet. But I mean, they're dusty. Like that doesn't even show up. I was most excited for this like taupey color. They're very soft, but almost like soft in a bad way. Like that's not even showing up. And then there's a green. Yeah. Like I should just throw it in the garbage now because I'm not going to use it. So that's going to be decluttered. Right now, I'm making the decision. Okay. This I love. It's Ofra. It's a little 5-pan. Super pretty. This color is amazing. This color is amazing. This gold topper, super pretty. Like holiday vibes right there. I mean, look at that compared to like what I just swatched. I mean, this is terrible swatching job I'm doing, but keeping that. This Natasha Denona 5-pan, great, love it, keeping it. Dusty Rose, pretty soft, works all year. This one I'm kind of debating because it's the Naked 3 Mini. The Naked 3 I should not have decluttered. I have regrets. But so if you look at these two together, I mean, I guess they're different unless you're just looking down here. I reach for this more. I'm not ready, but I don't like this as much. I thought it would have like a couple of the other colors in the full size. I've really debated buying the full size again. Okay, this I think can go. I haven't touched it or looked at it. Not that I don't like it because I do. It's the Essence Nude Taupe something. But honestly, the only color I use is this one. Now that I'm going to swatch it, I'm going to be like, oh, I need to keep it. No, I don't reach for it. And it's broken. And it was $4, so bye. Natasha Denona. This is the Mini Glam. Keeping that. These are the ones I really came in here to like think about. I love these e.l.f. bite-size shadows. I have Rose Quartz and no, where's Rose Quartz? How dare you? That's the one I like the most. This is the Berry Bliss, I think it's called. No, Berry Bad. I feel like I don't really use that one. That's on the chopping block. It might go. This pumpkin-y one, Pumpkin Pie, while I do like this one, I don't reach for it because I have nicer, larger palettes that have colors like this. Although now that I'm looking at this one, I'm like getting a little, they're just, oh God. See, no, I think I gotta keep it. And this one is such a pretty neutral. It's the truffle. I'm keeping this one. So really maybe just the berry one because I have other shadows like the Naked Cherry palette that have those tones. Where is Rose Quartz? Because I like Rose Quartz. Why is it not in here? I'm concerned. Did it go rogue? I don't know, but I like Rose Quartz. So I think maybe of the 3 that I can currently find, Berry's gonna go. I'll keep the other 2. Then I have the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams. I actually really like this palette. This blue is phenomenal quality. Hold on, let me wipe my weird little finger off. I've worn this for like gigs and like a date night. Like, that's not showing its true life force. I usually put it over something, but it's actually a really great blue. And the browns are nice. Like, it's good. Like, if you take the blue out, it's more wearable, but that just is like a great glam look. Like, look at my finger. That's a better representation. Because if you pack it on, it looks like this. So we're going to keep that. And then I have this other, see, this is why I think I give the berry one up, because I have this Natasha Denona Mini Love palette. And then if we compare that to the e.l.f. Bite Size, open, there's some very similar tones, right? But I tend to reach for this one more. So yeah, I'm not saying that the e.l.f. Bite Size are not worth it, because they are. Like, go get them if you just need like a couple of little palettes. Definitely go get them. So I'm going to toss these 3. Bye. They're going in the trash because they're older. Then this is in here, but this is nostalgic. It's a Marc Jacobs trio. I just can't give it up. I've had it for like probably 6 years. At least. This silver is amazing. It's like a silvery taupe. Super pretty. I don't know if I have a spot on my weird little hand. Right there. Love that color. Great holiday color. I don't know why this is floating around in there. It's 142 years old. It's the Metal Crush from KVD, but like old KVD. It's just a great color. That's why I still have it. I mean, look at that. So that's floating around in there. It is quite old though. So, all right, what are we going to put on my eyeballs today? With this lip, you know, I'm just looking at my small ones. Let's go with the Natasha Mini Glam. I haven't used that in a hot minute. So we're going to use that. And you'll see it later because we're going to check in later. Okay, bye. Hair in my face.
Hello!
Hello.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, it's very cold. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I look like an egghead.
So do I. It's winter.
We are at a festival of lights.
We're at the light tunnel?
The tunnel of lights. The children are going to go in the tunnel and never come back.
Why do children ruin Christmas?
I am procrastinating. I am down in my wife's office. Lovely drawings from the children. Because I am about to take my real estate course, like end of the unit test. I've been putting it off for 2 days. I'm scared. I don't want to do it because what if I fail? I mean, you're allowed to take it more than once, but this is just the end of the course part. So then once I pass that, then I move on to like taking the actual like state test. So Mommy, before I even say anything else, I'd like to fully acknowledge that I look like a monster in every vlog so far. Like, what is this? It is Sunday morning, December 4th. And last night we took the kids to the Christmas parade that happens on our corner. Basically, it's like in our town, people are obsessed with Jeeps. Don't ask. But they decorate them like crazily and they drive down and go nuts. And then the park across the street has like a whole tunnel of lights thing. So we did that and I meant to film more, but everybody was yelling at each other, adults, children, and the like. So just walking to the park is hard. In case you're wondering. What, baby girl? Right now, okay.
My baby wants socks.
Your baby wants socks on?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute, please. So my wife just took our other daughter to go Christmas shopping for her baby sister. So it's just Hazel and I here right now. And then she goes back to Ohio for school the next 2 weeks. Then she comes here for Christmas break. So I've got lots of plans for the kids. I was just sitting down to my planner. And what I wanted to ask people was, are you freaking out? Because, oh my God, trying not to put her on camera, just a cheek. Okay, that's enough, cutie. Yes, you're very cute. Give a kiss. Okay,
No.
Go away. Sure way to get her to leave. And I'm looking at my planner. So like I have clients, we have Christmas fun. Like I even had to put like pencil in shopping date with my wife. I had to write that down or it won't happen. Hazel's going to see Santa this week. I've got clients 1, 2, 3, 4 nights out of the next week. And then the week after that, it's crazy. People are messaging me like last minute, which is fine, but you know, I will accommodate if I can. But yeah, so basically like, it's like a race to the finish at this point, right? So I am done with my cards and I'm about to put the stamps on. So that's where we are at the end of this week. So yeah. I don't know. This might be like 2 days combined into one. I don't really know yet, but most likely I'll see you later. So in the last year, I have fallen down my steps 2 times. So my butt's broken. And this is my only release. Value size. Yep. So this is how I will be ending this episode of Vlogmas, and good night.